was praising for the chemist. Rayon is a brand of synthetic cotton. Nylon was inspired by not Spider-Man, by the spider web. Here's the most amazing thing about the spider web. Scientists were fascinated, for many, many years, fascinated by the fact that an insect can secrete something onto which it can beat it. Right? Imagine if you can do that. Okay, you know, funny, like, where does the spider spit its web materials? May puwet, no? You don't want to see humans hanging. Hang out. Okay. But that material is stronger than steel. If you make a thread, steel and spider web, you make threads out of them. Equal diameter, equal everything in dimension. The spider web thread will be stronger than steel. So that fascinated the chemists because they said if we can make material in the laboratory, we have a very nice material for making lots of tough stuff. So, one of the products, ironically, of that research is nylon. And ironically, one of the most successful products made of nylon, this was in the late 1940s. Guess what? Vanity of women and stockings. So, when nylons, gusto mo yung stockings?
Yes.
Siya lang.
I remember my mother wearing stockings, flesh-colored stockings. Diba?
Meron din ako.
Pinaglalaro ko yun. I used to make yung hold up and hats. Kasi if you went over your head, you can still see. But people, your face is so distorted, they want to recognize who you are. Of course, unless you're playing with your brothers. Okay. When this product was launched in New York City, I think it was in Macy's at that time, women, I think something like 200, something like 25,000 women lined up just to buy it. How many ugly legs did they have before that they wanted to cover with stocking? Now you don't want to cover your legs. What you want to do is shave your legs, wash your legs, and lotion your legs so you can show off. Oh, I have nice skin. But at that time, the in thing is to cover your legs with this stocking. It's with the same material that fishermen used to make nets. Okay, and fishing lines. Okay. Lycra, of course you know what Lycra is. Who does ballet? Who tights? Not tights. Bathing suits are all made of Lycra now. Swimsuits. Yung stretchable material. Ano pag ginagawang Lycra ngayon? Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? The common brand of the textile, not the product, is spandex. Spandex. Spandex is a manufacturer's brand, just like Styrofoam. Styrofoam is a brand of polystyrene made by DuPont. They call it Styrofoam. So not all styro is Styrofoam. Only that which is made by DuPont is Styrofoam. Kaya lang, just like Xerox, all photocopiers are Xerox. There was a time when all toothpastes are Colgate. Like, pabili po ng Colgate. Anong tatak? Yung close-up. That's true. No? Kasi the proper noun was associated with the general term for the product. All refrigerators when I was growing up were called Frigidaires. Anong Frigidaire nyo? Westinghouse. Frigidaire was a common brand brought in by the Americans, and then before the Calvinator, before the other brands that became popular, it was the Xerox of refrigerators. Okay. Anyway, polyurethane is if you like surfing or scuba diving, or if you have a mouse pad, that's made of polyurethane. Okay, so wetsuits are made of polyurethane. Yeah. Yeah. Rash guards. No, rash guards are mostly like manifest spandex, like because polyurethane is not as stretchable as with the thickness of lycra. If you make polyurethane that thin, it will break apart easily. Parang may material ng mouse pad. But the nice thing about polyurethane foam, unlike lycra, is it's buoyant. That's why you use it when you post diving. So you don't have to wear like vests. The whole thing's buoyant. Styrofoam, of course, is one of the most controversial products in the human society now. In fact, Lasal bans styrofoam, but it doesn't ban polystyrene cups. You don't know that. Sorry. Styrofoam is polystyrene that was blown into a foamy material. Basically, it's plastic with gas bubbles. So it's called foam. And polystyrene with gas bubbles is a very, very good insulator. It's discovered to be a perfect insulator, not even perfect, but it's one of the most practical insulators. So you can put boiling liquid inside and you won't feel the heat outside. Perfect for coffee cups. But because of the disposal problem, many communities decide to ban. So they encourage now the use of wax cartons, wax paper for coffee. Papel, di ba? Coffee cup na made of paper. Starbucks, all these bucks, di ba? All this coffee internet cafe that sometimes only cafe on internet. Okay. Or sometimes internet cafe, no coffee on the internet. But the problem with the plastic paper cups is you have to have something else to hold it because it's not a very good insulator. So, what I want to see, for example, in the sun is people would bring their own mugs. New PLB had this project. The students came up with, they ordered nice, elegant coffee cups. The kind that looks like Starbucks, self-giving, nice cover and insulated. And then it says something about UPLB. And then they sold it for 100 pesos. The idea is when you buy coffee from the cafeteria, whatever you buy something, you use it. So you don't have to dispose the container after consuming the product. That would be a nice project in a place like this. I would like to see bring your own plates. So bring plate eat. And then when you're done, para transformer and then you're done. Alright. Saran is now not used very in the United States when plastic wrapping became popular. It used to be called Saran wrap. In fact, everybody called it Saran wrap, even if it's not made by Saran. But Saran is a plastic called that looks like polyethylene. The problem with Saran wrap is it can corrode metal. So there was this. I know this guy actually. He asked me this question. He had a very expensive decorative silver frame with very intricate carvings made of silver. You know what happens to silver? I mean, expose it to the atmosphere, it tarnishes. So he, before storing it, he decided to store it in his warehouse. He decided to wrap it in Saran wrap. After a year, he went back and it's all corroded. Because Saran wrap is this bad habit of releasing very slowly hydrochloric acid from the molecule. So hydrochloric acid plus silver, bad thing. Okay? So they replace Saran with polyethylene. So when you buy this roll of plastic films, it's made of polyethylene.